The role of software developer. They are giving a package approximately 9 LPA. In this video, we will see what are the eligibility criteria and how to apply for this job. First of all, they have given the work experience and some other eligibility criteria. They are students who are 2021-2020 pass outs are eligible. Then BE, BTech, ME, MTech is in any disciplines can apply for this job. MCA with BSc or BA, BCA, BCom is also eligible for this off-campus drive. Students who are secured with 60% and above in their academic profiles in 10th standard, intermediate, and BE or BTech are eligible for Oracle off-campus drive. They should not be have any backlogs. Work experience should not be more than 3 years. These are some of the work experience and some of the eligibility criteria needed from the candidates for this job. Marks criteria. Students should have minimum of 60% in their academic careers like graduates and postgraduate, PG and UG. And there should not be any backlogs. And backlogs, regarding backlogs, if the students having backlogs and they are applying for this job, then the company will be rejecting those profiles. Therefore, they suggest that students who have no backlogs before the joining the company, this is the thing they have mentioned. The selection process is of 3 rounds. The first round is written exam, and then the technical interview, at last HR interview. The test pattern they have given us aptitude, that means a quantitative plus logical reasoning. Number of questions is 20. The time limit given is 30. Contextual communication 20. Time limit 20. General computer programming 20, time limit 25, and at last the coding questions are 2. This is the link where you can apply for this job. I will be giving the link in description. You can use that link to apply for this job. And another information about this is students who have cleared their degree or having their or holding their degree can apply for this job, but students who are freshers can apply for internship. There will be an option while applying for this job. After applying for this job, you will be having an option to look for other jobs too in the portal itself. So please use the link given in the description to apply for more jobs too in Oracle. All the best for your interview preparation.